Thank you, Jesus. Ndewo, kekime, ahambi akubwe, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Onye na-enyere gị aka ka ị nwee ike sụọ Igbo ka gị na ezinụlọ gị na-asụkọrịta Igbo. Ndewo. So yeah, I'm here again, Ijoma Kubwe. Okay, I help you speak Igbo so that you can better connect with your identity and you can pass on the language to your children. Okay, so I'm giving myself a challenge to go to post a video every weekday in January 2020. Though I've actually started in December, but that's okay. Right. So what we're going to discuss today, I want to share why I am teaching Igbo. And I'm sharing it because it's quite important to know why you're doing something, okay? Which is what I tell my clients who I teach Igbo. It's very important to know why they're learning Igbo. Okay, so for me, why am I teaching Igbo? Okay, in the beginning, there were quite a few things. So I've been teaching it since 2017. Okay, Nadia. Okay, we're gonna come to Otirige. Oh, okay. Well, welcome. Okay, so. Sorry. So, why am I teaching Igbo? Actually, exactly. That's he and the sisters. That's why I'm teaching Igbo. Okay. Initially, there were quite a few reasons. One of which was teaching other people, which I still teach. Okay. However, my main reason now for teaching Igbo is really because of my children. Okay. When I teach Igbo like this on YouTube, what it does is that it reminds me that charity begins at home, so that I have to sort of make sure my children are learning it, because I have friends who ask me that your children now speaking Igbo, you know you are the Igbo teacher. So my children, they understand a lot, not everything, and they also speak some, but they understand more than they speak. Okay, and when I speak to them in Igbo, their first reaction is to answer me in English, so I have to encourage them to speak to me in Igbo. Okay, but what teaching Igbo has done for all of us is that it's giving them a consciousness of more of Igbo language, okay, more acceptance, and they know is what we do now, so that when I say we are Igbo, they know what I'm saying, and then try. And most times they're mixing it with English, but that's okay, okay, because at some point there will be more Igbo than English, and until they become fluent. Okay, so that's really the main reason I'm teaching Igbo nowadays, so that I keep myself accountable. Yeah, you get what I mean. So I'm teaching Igbo to keep myself accountable to teach my children. That is my main reason. And of course, I'm happy I teach other people, really, because I know there are people who want to learn and who I'm able to teach, who like my teaching style, and we are a great fit. It's not everybody that I can teach, obviously, but there's people that I gel with that I can teach Igbo. Right? Okay. I'm okay. What do you go? So what I encourage you to do is, okay. Well, I've told you why I teach Igbo, so I think I better go now. God.